the glittering adornment of the sky, embellishing the appearance of land. Venus is considered one of the most benefic planets in Vedic astrology. It represents beauty, affluence, luxuries, comfort, pleasure, vehicles, wisdom, luck, respect, art, music, appearance, creativity, love, gains, peace of mind, good reputation in society, strong intellect, vehicles, high designation, and spirituality. Venus' strength and its good placement in a chart is very much required to have many beneficial aspects of life. Venus Shukra astronomy. Venus is second most closer planet to the sun. It is closer to sun than Earth. The average distance from sun is around 67 million miles. Venus takes 224 days to revolve around the sun. It is the second brightest natural object in the night sky after moon. It is a terrestrial planet. It consists mostly silicate rocks. The mass of Venus is 4.8 to 10 to the power 24 kg, which is 80% of the mass of the Earth. The radius of this planet is 6050 km, which is 95% of the radius of the Earth. There are many similarities between Venus and Earth like size and gravity, which makes them quite similar, so sometimes they are called sister planets. The density of Venus is 5.2 gram per centimeter cube. Venus does not have any natural satellite. Venus is covered by an layer of sulfuric acid clouds. The atmosphere of Venus is quite dense and consists mainly CO2. Astrology of Venus or Shukra. Importance of Venus in horoscope. Planet Venus or Shukra, being the divine giver of colors in personal life, has a major role in the astrological aspects of life and is a significant part of astrology. In Vedic astrology, it is one of the four benefic planets. In Western astrology, Venus is considered the most benefic of all the planets. In Vedic astrology, Shukra represents love, importance, and sexuality, artistic talents, material life, wealth, the opposite sex, pleasure and reproduction, feminine qualities, and the fine arts such as music, dance, painting, and sculpture. In the words of Indian astrology, planet Shukra belongs to the family of sages, which is perceived to be the highest in the social ladder and is associated with spiritual and Vedic sciences. It is also represent the mysteries and hidden subjects of life and its creation. A well-placed planet Shukra bestows the person a blissful marital life and a strong enclosure of healthy relationship along with the person, a creative and fantastical vision towards the world and makes him inclined towards hidden aspects including spiritual beliefs. Besides this, Shukra brings affluence, comfort, appearance. It makes the person gentle, tender and considerate. The natives of Shukra are inclined towards jewelry, sour taste, perfumes, white dresses, tasty foods, and fine arts. A well-placed Shukra in a birth chart provides wealth, luxuries, worldly pleasures, gains, favor of luck, favor from opposite sex, peace of mind, good reputation in society, strong intellect, vehicles, high designation, interest and expertise in art and music, and a very good love and marital life. All these attributes of Shukra keep the planet in the enclosure of benefic planets, but a poor placement of the planet could bring adverse effects as in worsening the life of the natives on account of poor love, marital relations, poverty or lack of wealth, lack of luxuries, problems in earning money, less understanding or interest in arts and music, bad relation with females, problems in family life and peace of mind. The weak or ill-placed Shukra would create many problems in profession. The person would face many problems in case of gains through investment and speculation. He would need to work hard to have his livelihood. The person would be unpopular and lack manners. In the astrological studies of planet Shukra, it has been said that its most potent and dominating placement is in the fourth house where it reflects most of his benefic sets upon the native. It becomes digbali or gets directional strength in this house. Apart from fourth house, it is also have very good results in other kendras, seventh and tenth house. And ascendant, it gives highly auspicious result in the trikonas, fifth and ninth house. The placement is not good in third, sixth and eighth house, while its placement in 12th house is considered very beneficial in terms of getting materialistic gains and luxuries. This is an exception because the placement of all other benefic planets are not considered good in 12th house. Venus rules over Taurus and Libra zodiac, so for the natives having Taurus and Libra ascendants, it is highly auspicious since it becomes ascendant lords for these zodiacs. Shukra is also beneficial for Capricorn and Aquarius ascendant natives as it becomes Yoga Karaka for these ascendant natives. In the words of modern astrology, Shukra is a natural Karak for the second and seventh house, while the traditional study says that it is a natural Karak of the fifth and 12th house. Body parts and diseases controlled by Shukra. The zodiac in which Venus is placed in a horoscope is Venus sign of the person. Venus sign decides the dignity of this planet in the horoscope. In human body, it rules reproductive system, eyes, throat, chin, cheeks, and kidneys. The ill-placed Shukra may cause eye diseases, venereal complaints, indigestion, pimples, impotency, loss of appetite, and rashes on the skin. Strength or dignity of Venus in a horoscope: exalted, Mool Trikona, Swasthan, Swagrihi, debilitated. Venus carries different dignities or strength in our horoscope on account of its placement in different zodiacs as leaving different impact upon us. Best position of Venus exalted Uch. In the well-established words of astrology, Venus or Shukra is believed to be the most powerful and effective in Pisces. The exaltation or Uch dignity of Venus or Shukra begins with 0 degree of Pisces and goes up to 27 degree. At 27 degree, Venus or Shukra is in highest exaltation state. After 27 degree, it leaves the exalted state and come to the Trikona, which is the second best state. Exalted Venus would make the native wealthy, full of luxuries and comforts in life, and very good reputation in society. The person with exalted Venus earns not only from his profession but also from many other sources. The investment gives him much benefits. The person attains the high position in his profession, or he opens his own successful businesses and would be very successful in his profession. The person would have all worldly pleasures. The person has very charming personality. Second base position of Venus, Mool Trikona. The second base state or dignity of Venus is known as Mool Trikona, which starts from 28 degree to 30 degree in Pisces, followed by 0 to 15 degree in Libra zodiac. Mool Trikona is the second best state of Venus or Shukra. It would make the person highly wealthy, expert in various art and music. The person would be highly creative and could attain high fame in these fields. The person gets the favor from females. He gets the mental peace and happiness. The harmony at home would be very good. The person would be successful in his profession or businesses. Good position of Venus own house Swasthan. Venus comes in the enclosure of its medium dominance and effect upon the mortal lives when it comes at 16 degree in Libra zodiac, which goes from 0 to 30 degree in the Taurus zodiac. This position of Venus is called as own house or Swasthan. When Venus is in Swasthan, it increases all the qualities of the house in which it is placed. For example, the Venus is in 4th house will increase mental peace and happiness. The native will have large property and many vehicles. The wealth would be of high level. The person would get much harmony at his home and would be happy. Poor position of Venus, debilitation, niche. Venus is believed to in its poor state or debilitation as reflecting negative impacts upon the lives of humans. In Virgo, starting from 0 degree to 15 degrees, at 15 degrees in Virgo, Venus is in the deepest debilitation as to be at its worst placement. Here it lacks all of his strength and power and so on, called as niche. The debilitated Venus or Shukra cause many difficulties in the life of humans. The debilitated Venus or Shukra would make the native devoid of worldly pleasures. The person would lack charm and attraction. He would have failure in love life. He would have to work very hard to earn money and would not get easy money from investment and inheritance. Even if he will get the money, he would not be able to get pleasure out of it. The home environment would be having problems. Expression of Venus or Shukra. Venus represents the heavenly brightness for being called the brilliant star in the sky and spreader of brightness in the lives upon earth. It is a female planet who represents the fertility in women, along with the colors of romance and enjoyment in the lives of humans for being dominating over them. Planet Venus expresses the enclosure of relationship in the lives of natives. Besides being the expression of passion in the lives of mortals, it also expresses the spiritual traits and stature of wisdom of an individual. It governs over the path of learning of the native to some extent. Planet Shukra is also an expression of creativity along with fantastical vision and attitude in life. Blessings of Venus or Shukra. The brightest presence of sky bestow a lot of brilliance in the lives of mortals and dominates over the personal aspects of their life. The blissful planet Venus in the horoscope chart bestows the person with good visualizing power and creative attitude and makes him or her inclined towards fantasies and mysteries. The natives are perceived to be artistic in their vision towards the involved in secretive subjects of life. Venus endows the person with healthy relations and blissful marital life. Besides this, it also bestows the look and appearance as a person with good placement of Venus is believed to be the good looking. Effect of well placed and powerful Venus or Shukra in the birth chart. The well placed Venus or Shukra in the horoscope chart of a person brings a lot of sign to the personal life of the person. It bestows the person fantastical imagining power with the blend of creativity, invention and thoughtful nature. Besides this, the people with strongly placed Venus or Shukra are perceived to be strongly inclined toward the lurking aspect of surrounding and mysterious studies and are believed to be very seeking and curious in their attitude. The good placement of the planet Venus comes out in the picture of strong and blissful relations around the person as making his or her marital life full of love and other relationships around with strong roots. It encloses the person in the confinements of true relations. On the other hand, it bestows the looks and appearance to the natives as making them appear beautiful and attractive with the position of charm on account of well-placed planet Venus. Effects of ill-placed and weak Venus or Shukra in the birth chart. The poor placement of the planet Venus reflects the most upon the enclosure of relationship of a person and affect the personal aspect most dominantly. It could reflect in the form of poor marital relations with the lack of love and romance, along with weak and worse relations with those surrounding the native. The relations might come out as weak rooted. The person with poor placed Shukra in the horoscope chart would be out of any curiosity and would lack the active interest in the surroundings. The individual with such placement would get detached from the spiritual aspect and would not believe much upon the divine praises. The individual would lack imagination and vision of creativity. The person with ill-placed Shukra would not appear much attractive and would not look much appealing on account of looks and personality.